This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the driver's door and pull the bonnet release lever. Reach under the bonnet, depress the safety catch and lift the bonnet. The battery is located on the passenger side of the engine compartment. Unclip and remove the battery cover. Slacken the clamp nut and using a twisting motion, pull the lead clamp from the negative terminal. Disconnect the positive lead clamp in the same manner. Remove the bolt from the battery clamp at the front and lift it out with the webbing strap. Lift the battery from place. Locate the battery in the tray. Refit the webbing strap and securely tighten the clamp bolt. Locate the positive lead clamp over the positive terminal of the battery and tighten the clamp nut securely. To prevent corrosion, smear a little petroleum jelly over the battery terminal and clamp. Refit the negative lead clamp and tighten the nut securely. Again, smear a little petroleum jelly over the battery terminal. Press the battery cover downwards to engage the retaining clips. Close the bonnet firmly and check it's secure.